In this video, I want to explain why journaling is not just a useful personal habit, but also a strategic tool for clinic owners. When used properly, ChatGPT or similar large language models can become a structured thinking partner rather than just a digital diary. Most people journal or diarize inconsistently and without structure. They record events but rarely extract lessons. Without feedback, blind spots remain invisible and valuable insights are lost. ChatGPT enhances the journaling process by asking better questions, summarizing themes, and identifying repeated behaviors or decisional errors. It can challenge assumptions and convert reflection into specific next steps. A simple 5-minute structure where you talk to ChatGPT through your phone on a daily basis is really enough. Focus on facts first, then evaluate what worked and what didn't. And you can also ask ChatGPT for immediate help around any specific challenges that you had that day. Over time, the information that you put in builds, and AI can identify recurring patterns, recognizing your own individual challenges, and also propose strategic adjustments, making it really a practical leadership support tool. Structured journaling improves marketing decisions, improves your focus on your revenue, targets, and strengthens team communication, and really drives more consistent execution. When applied consistently, journaling using ChatGPT or similar large language models can enhance clarity and improve the quality of decisions made over time.